how to enable or disable cookie concert tracking on your store on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable it or disable it. First open your browser and then click settings, and then scroll down until you find security and privacy, and then scroll down until you find this one. You can turn it on or off, and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.